Is your motivation waning? You just can't seem to get up and get going. I'm coming at you with 7 tips to regain the motivation you need to drop that 20 pounds or get in shape and build some muscle. Stay tuned. Tip number 1 is step away from the scale. It might be time to reframe your idea of progress and include those little non-scale victories. The number's not that important anyway. It's about good health overall, right? So maybe your clothes fit better. Maybe you have more energy. Focus on non-scale victories, and soon enough you'll see the plethora of non-scale victories, and that will motivate you. The second and third one tie into each other. The second one is to set SMART goals. That's an acronym for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. So it's something like lose 10 pounds in 6 weeks, as opposed to just lose weight. And that's because the third one, which is set mini goals, you can track your progress with mini goals toward that SMART goal. Number 4 is find your community. Accountability is often one of, if not the reason why people struggle with weight loss or muscle gain. At the Mighty Miracle Man, we can help you with that. Maybe go on some different forums. If your family doesn't support you, find people who do. Number 5 is to boost your motivation with podcasts or music or something. If there are times when you don't feel like working out, sure, or eating healthy, or even moving, but music or podcasts can get you back to the right path. Look for inspiring podcasts about fitness and healthy eating. Even better if you do this while being active, like going for a walk or even doing chores around the house. Number 6, under the ASL for 6, or English, but if you're striving for perfection, just stop. Nobody is perfect 100% of the time. By focusing on perfection, you're setting yourself up for failure, 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 failure. I like to follow the 80-20 rule. If you're too highly restricted and desire to be perfect, and you're not going to achieve it, go for 80% clean eating, or I like to say nutrient dense eating. And clean eating is a nebulous term, but we'll get on my soapbox. And 20% foods you enjoy, like chocolate cake and ice cream. It's about a healthy balance instead of being perfect, and you won't feel guilty as much when you do have that little bit of happy food. Now, I'm not saying that nutrient dense eating can be fun. I love the food I eat, but most people restrict themselves from things they actually enjoy. Focus on the macronutrients, though, like lean proteins, healthy fats, and high quality carbs, fiber. That'll make your overall progress a habit rather than trying to do the impossible and be perfect. Okay, so the chances are your weight loss journey or life in general hasn't been fun, and that's why you're unmotivated. Make it more fun. Instead of focusing on perfection, nobody's perfect. And there was only one guy who wasn't. He's in heaven. You all know if you know. And we can try for that, but we're not going to achieve that here on this earth. So stop beating yourself up. Try for it, sure, but don't be so nitpicky about every little thing you do wrong. Like to make things more enjoyable, especially with your weight loss journey or other things in life in general. Do things you enjoy, like have that chocolate cake. Just keep in mind your macros and don't go overboard, and then plan fun dates, and then also active with your significant other. Go to the roller skating rink or something like that. Go for a bike ride. Keep that in mind to enjoy your life and be healthier, to live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.